Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Okay. Then again 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Now 10 multiply 10 is equal to 100. Okay. But here this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS P A M DAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So here is subtraction, here is multiplication, and here is subtraction. So according to PEMDAS rule, first priority is multiplication. Okay. Then we have to solve subtraction. Okay. So first we have to solve this multiplication. So is equal to 20 minus 10 multiply 20 is equal to 200. Okay. Minus 10. Now here is subtraction and here is subtraction. Both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay. So 20 minus 200 is equal to minus 180 minus 10. Now minus 180 minus 10 is equal to minus 190. Okay. So the correct answer is minus 190. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.